Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're asking the question, which Thai visas don't require insurance? So which long-term Thai visas don't require insurance? I kind of made a companion video to this where I asked which Thai visas require insurance. Now we're kind of doing one where we say which don't. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, pattayamail.com. Article is titled Thai Immigration Updates, November 2022. Quoting directly, those converting a tourist visa to non-retirement at Thai immigration do not require insurance, nor do foreigners seeking visas or extensions based on marriage or family, nor those with elite visas. So notably too, business visas, I think that was left out here. Standard Thai business visas, at least as of the time of this video, have no insurance requirement either. Now, there's different kinds of Thai visas, and for example, there's kind of a business visa component to the so-called long-term residence visa, which, as we've discussed, is not actually a residence visa. It's basically kind of like, it's supposedly a 10-year visa, but it's not really that. It's a 5 and 5 visa, and then there's all this ongoing scrutiny. So overall, the long-term residence visa isn't exactly what it appears, and it does have an insurance requirement, actually, the LTR does, but standard business visa, not so much. So again, just to kind of go back through this, non-retirement does not require insurance presently. Thailand Elite does not require insurance presently. And then extensions based on marriage does not require insurance. And as I said, business visa insurance does not require insurance. Business visa extension does not require insurance as of the time of this video. Now, a couple of things to bear in mind. And again, I urge folks who are watching this video, go ahead and check out that article and read it in detail for yourself. It's not a foregone conclusion that you can convert to an O retirement visa in Thailand. A lot of people talk about this like it's just like a foregone conclusion. Quite honestly, if you go back status quo ante-pandemic, before we were dealing with all the discretionary rules under the emergency decree, it's pretty uncommon to see conversions in country. In fact, very uncommon. It's quite difficult. Most of the time, immigration wanted folks to leave the country, get a non-immigrant visa, and then come back in and then extend that status once they were back in. Presently, again, there's a little bit more discretion because we're still not quite back to where we were a couple of years ago. So it may be possible, it may not be possible to convert to a no retirement visa here in Thailand. It's very much up to the discretion of the immigration officer. I've seen officers deny, even since we've reopened. So it's possible that a denial could happen on a conversion, but for the most part, conversion is, again, it's possible, but it's not a foregone conclusion. And you should be aware of that sort of coming in when dealing with these things. But long story short, there are visas that still do not require insurance coverage in order to maintain long-term status here in the Kingdom of Thailand.